Hey there, Batman fans. Batman Fan Toy Batman here. As you guys can see, today, now that Batman fans, we're back. I'm back with another unboxing video here. And look what I just got. I got the Batman t-shirt. So, we're gonna open this up and see how it is. Okay. There we go. I'm not going to go so close. Okay. Ready? Oh wow. Look at that, Batman fans. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna try this on, Batman fans, and I'll meet you back. So hang on, Batman fans. Okay, hang on, Batman fans. So we're gonna open this first. So let's see. So this is how the packaging was. Oh, that's how you open it, okay. Oh, wow. Okay, Batman fans, I'm gonna try this on and, we'll be right back. Hang on, Batman fans. Okay, Batman fans, we're back. And here it is. Wow. This feels good. Awesome. Yep. So yeah, Batman fans, this is the Batman t-shirt. So yeah, Batman fans, if you like this video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit that bell to turn on notifications every time we do videos. Shout outs to all my Batman fans and YouTubers out there that subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. This your boy Batman Fan Toy Batman. And let me know in the comment section below, Batman fans, what video you subscribed, what video you guys want to see me play next. And yeah, Batman fans, this is your boy Batman Fan Toy Batman, unboxing the Batman t-shirt. So what do you think, Batman fans? Like the logo? I have done an unboxing video of the hoodie, of course. And now I've done the unboxing, I'm doing an unboxing of the t-shirt. And this fits awesome. This feels awesome. So yeah, Batman fans, this is the Batman t-shirt unboxing. If you like this video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit that bell to turn on notifications every time we do videos. Shout outs to all my Batman fans and YouTubers out there that subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. This is your boy Batman Fan Toy Batman, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya, Batman fans. I'll give you one more look. Here it is. Also, before I go, I'll show you the hoodie. Hang on, Batman fans. Okay, Batman fans. Here is also the hoodie I have that I done unboxing on from. See the hoodie. I done unboxing of this. Not sure how long was it, but anyways. So yeah, Batman fans. This is the hoodie. This is the shirt. So yeah, Batman fans. This is your boy Batman Fan Toy Batman. I'll see you on the next one. See ya, Batman fans.